Hello students, how are you all? I am hoping that you all are safe and fine. Today again we are here with me Deepika, your science teacher, and today again we are here with our fifth chapter, that is rocks and minerals. So yes, we have discussed all the chapter, reading part of the chapter is completed. Yesterday we have done our bookwork part also. So now what we are going to do in our today's video? So yes, it's our worksheet. Do not forget about the worksheet. So yes, today it's a time to discuss about our worksheet. I flowed the worksheet with you yesterday only, and I am thinking so कि all of you have done the worksheet by yourself. So today it's a time to match your answer with my answers, which we are going to discuss in our today's lecture. So are you ready with the worksheet? Yes. So let's start with our worksheet part. So yes students, now this is our worksheet of today, which you have to do. So yes, first is identify the processes and write the names of the rocks formed. So you don't have to identify the processes, you just write the names of the rocks formed. So yes, as you can see in your books too, so these pictures are present in your books also, so you can identify these pictures very clearly. First picture is the picture of igneous rock. This is igneous rock. Now second one is sedimentary rock. This one is sedimentary rock. Third and the last one is metamorphic rock. So yes, this is the photograph of metamorphic rock. So this is our first question. Now move on to our second question. In this question you have given some names which you have to identify according to the names of the different kinds of rocks. You have to tell that which is an example of which particular kind of rock. So it is also very easy question, I think so. You all have done the rocks part very clearly in very detail. So you remember, I think so, all the names of the parts of the particular rock. So you can do this question very easily. So first one is limestone. Yes, limestone is which kind of rock? It is sedimentary rock. Okay. Now second one is pumic. Pumic is an example of which kind of rock? It is an igneous rock. Next one is shale. Shale is an example of sedimentary rock. Next one is quartzite. Quartzite is an example of metamorphic rock. Next is slate. Slate is formed by the shale. Shale was the example of sedimentary rock, and slate is formed by the modification in the shale. So that's why it is a metamorphic rock. Basalt is an igneous rock type. Next is granite. Granite is also an example of igneous rock. Next is conglomerate. Conglomerate is a type of sedimentary rock. Last but not the least is the marble. Marble is an example of metamorphic rock. So yes, igneous rocks are pumic, basalt, granite. Sedimentary rocks are limestone, shale, conglomerate. Metamorphic rocks are quartzite, slate and marble. Now move on to our third question. Give two uses of the following. You have to write any two uses of this particular term, particular name given in this worksheet. First one is minerals. So we have done many uses of minerals. You can write any two uses. I am just telling out two out of them. So you can, if you want to write any other use, then you can write. First one is we can get the metals from the minerals, and we can get the fuels from the minerals. Coal is again having many uses. You can write any two uses, but I am telling you two uses. If you want to write these two uses, then it's okay. Coal is used in cooking and in fertilizers. Petroleum is used in medicines and in fertilizers. So yes, these are the two uses of the terms given in this particular worksheet. Now we are having our fourth question. This is MCQ question, multiple choice question. You have four options for one particular question and you have to tick the correct answer of the particular question. A question is, which of the following rocks is soft, made of sulfate minerals and is used to make plaster of Paris? Yes, soft can be many rocks, but plaster of Paris can be formed by the one rock only, and this is gypsum. So our answer is second, gypsum. Second question is, which of the following is known as black gold? Yes, black gold is petroleum. Yes, its answer is fourth, petroleum. Which of the following is an ore of aluminium? Yes, ore of aluminium is none other than bauxite. So these are the answers of these questions. Now we are having answer the following. You have to write the answer the following question maybe in one line or maybe in one word. So our first question is, what is meant by an ore? Yes, what do you mean by an ore? A mineral from which metal can be extracted is called an ore. A particular kind of mineral from which we are getting the metals is known as ore. Next is, what are gemstones? Name any four. Yes, what are gemstones? The beautiful stones, no? So yes, what should be the definition of this gemstone? Minerals which are hard and found in the form of crystals. They are cut and polished into beautiful stones called gemstones. And any four examples are diamond, ruby, emerald, sapphire. So these are the examples of gemstones. You have to write four examples. Next is, what are scoria rocks? Yes, what are scoria rocks? Basalt are scoria rocks. They are formed by the rapid cooling of lava on the earth's surface. Yes, basalt, or we can say scoria rocks, are formed by the rapid cooling of the lava. When it is present inside the earth, it is called as magma, but when it comes outside the surface of the earth, it is called lava. So when this lava comes out from the surface of the earth, from inside the earth, and cools down, so which kind of rock is formed? It formed the scoria type of rocks. Last question of this worksheet is, why do we need to conserve natural resources? Yes, why should we conserve natural resources? Because they are present in limited amount. So yes beta, this is about your worksheet. This is about your today's lecture. You have to take the printout of this worksheet. You have to take the hard copy of this worksheet, solve it on the paper, and then paste it in your notebook. So this is work for today, and this is all about for today's class. Thank you.